Mina's trying to get her socks off because she keeps scratching me and my daughter. Now she's tripping, dude. The dog's taking a trip, but she never left the farm. She's trying to get the socks off. What are you doing, Mina? Get them socks off. Get them socks off. You're like you're on a rodeo or something. Come on now. Get up. Get up, Mina. What are you doing now? Did you get it? Did you get them socks off? Get them socks off. Are you going to get them off, Mina? Alright, you dead? Mina. Mina. What are you doing, Mina? Come here. Come here.